Today we're going to Long Island to paint a commercial mural, and it's very interesting how it works with me every time. Just 1 week ago when I posted a video in YouTube about when I paint graffiti in the office, just RRT with different styles. I felt like I wanted to do graffiti again, but like with pleasure, without rush, to enjoy the process. And I want to do like real graffiti fonts, with a lot of colors. And I haven't been able to find a legal wall for that in New York here. And here it is. The client texted me on Instagram like, "Hello, I want you to do a mural graffiti in my office." I made a quick sketch for them, and right now we're going to his office to confirm the last things and start painting. Let's see.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Alex.
Good.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Actually, you know what? We can move some stuff out from the wall, close to here, and I can cover all of them with plastic.
Okay. But everything else, you can go crazy.
Great.
Perfect.
So covering is done, and as you can see, I taped all perimeter around, like all edges. Look here. And in the very beginning, I literally hate this part. But right now, situation changed opposite, and I like have a pleasure when I cover everything, tape it, and actually much more pleasure when the mural is done, when you take it off and see like a clean Sharpie edges of mural. And right now, my opinion, this is a very, very important, how you cover everything before the start. favorite moments. Taking out all tape. Guys. So that's it. And you saw the whole process. And finally, I want to say just one thing. I'm very happy. I'm very happy what I can paint this. I'm very happy what I have clients like this who want me to do these things. And it's luck. It's a big luck. It's a big luck. And I wish you guys to find your way and get the same pleasure and enjoy your work like me. Thank you for watching. And if you like it, it's gonna be awesome. Thumbs up. Thank you.